Assalamu alaikum dear children, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Now we start computer book of class 3. Please open the unit number 3. Unit number 3 name is Inside System Unit. System Unit. System Unit is the most important part of a computer. The other parts of the computers are connected to it through wires. There are many components inside the system unit. Here are some main components: motherboard, processor, RAM, hard disk, power supply. Motherboard. It is the main circuit board inside the system unit. It is also called the main board. All the components of a computer system are connected to it. This is motherboard. Processor. Processor is a small chip inside the system unit. It is also known as the brain of the computer. It controls all the processing of a computer. This is the processor. Memory. Capability of computer to store information temporarily or permanently is called memory. There are two types of computer memory: RAM, ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. It is the main memory of the computer. The data in RAM is lost when power of the computer is switched off. It is a temporary memory. This is a RAM. ROM stands for read only memory. The basic instructions that we need to start a computer are stored in ROM. It is a permanent memory. The instructions stored in ROM are not lost even when computer is switched off. This is a ROM. Hard disk. Hard disk is used to store data and information. It is a mass storage device. We use hard disk to store all the work we do on the computer. It stores data permanently. This is hard disk. Power supply. Power supply is that component which supplies electrical power to computer. It receives electrical current through wire called power cord. It is located at the back side of the system unit. This is a power supply. Exercise. Read and understand the following questions and answers. Question. Write the components of system unit. Answer. Motherboard, processor, RAM, hard disk, power supply. Question. What is a processor? Answer. A processor is a small chip inside the system unit. It is also known as the brain of the computer. Question. Define motherboard. Answer. It is the main circuit board inside the system unit. It is also called the main board. Question. Define memory. Answer. Capability of a computer to store information temporarily or permanently is called memory. Question. Difference between RAM and ROM. Answer. The data in RAM is lost when power of the computer is switched off. It is a temporary memory. The instructions stored in ROM are not lost even when computer is switched off. It is a permanent memory. Question. What is the function of power supply? Answer. Power supply supplies electrical power to computer. Fill in the blanks. ROM stands for read only memory. Processor is a small chip inside the system unit. RAM stands for random access memory. A hard disk is used to store data and information. A power supply is the component which supplies electrical power to the computer. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. Hard disk is used to store data permanently. It's tick. All devices of computer are connected to RAM. It's ROM. A processor is the small chip inside the system unit. It's tick. The data in ROM can only be read. It's right. Processor is also known as brain of the computer. It's right. Dear student, read these lessons very carefully and solve exercise on your notebook and check in your school. Okay, Khuda Hafiz, take care.